Okay, so question number 11 in this session, section B, the first question. So this is actually the descriptive questions. Question number 11 is what? The diagram represents a negative point charge. So what is a keyword? The negative point charge. And draw field lines to show the electric field around the charge. So what is the background of this? Already we learned in our sessions that if it is a point charge, the electric field will be always radially. Either it is inward or outward, depend upon what? Depend upon the point nature of the point charge. So here the nature of the point charge is what? It is a negative point charge. That means this point charge is negative in nature. So what is actually the concept of field lines? Wherever we need to find the influence of the field at that particular point, we will always keep a unit positive charge. So for example, if I'm keeping a unit positive charge means say it is one coulomb. So if I'm keeping a 1 coulomb charge, we already know that one negative and positive will attract each other. So this what happens to this 1 coulomb? 1 coulomb will be attracted towards the point charge. Suppose, for example, if I'm keeping a 1 coulomb charge here, so what happens? That will be attracted towards the center. Suppose if I'm keeping a 1 coulomb charge here, so what happens? That will also attracted towards here. So here also what happens if I'm keeping 1 coulomb charge, that will be attracted because these are arbitrary points. So I'm just keeping or considering this r distance away from this negative charge. So if I'm keeping r distance away at this particular point, what happens? This will also attract towards this. Here also this will attract. That is the reason why it is called radially. And this is very important. The direction of the field we must show it is attractive in nature. So radially inward. So I will also add here radially inward. So the examiner will, it's not necessary to write this. This is for your information. I'm writing what is that? It's acting radially inward. Even this 1 coulomb charge is also not necessary. I mean, that is actually the concept behind this. The answer, the examiner will look only this whether this field lines you have shown is radially inward or not. At least 4 lines required. More than 4 lines you can mention or you can draw. Okay, so that is the answer. How many marks? It's 3-mark question. Hope you got it. So we'll move to the next question.